day. Yes, today is February 15th, and we're here in Zambales. So, this is the first time na treat natin yung sarili natin to a vacation. Yup. It's a vacation, and why? Why tayo nag-vacation? Remember last year, my figure was, hindi, yung mga, parang, you don't get to realize that the prayers are being answered. Diba? Conscious na kayo doon. Kasi ako, last year, na-realize ko lang na, oh, God is taking me to places na I once wished, oh my God, look at the temples. Yeah. I once wished na mapuntahan. Or like, it's just specific ang gusto ko yung work na nakakapunta ko sa iba't ibang lugar. Parang bonus mo yung makapag visit places, you know? Oh, masakit na lang. Yeah. So, May 2025, napunta kami ng Thailand for work. And it was the first time na nakasakay ako ng aeroplano. And that's also the time na nag-realize ko nga, oh, God answered my prayer. Diba? Because I'm working and also visiting new places. You know, though it's stressful yun. Stressful yung work. But still, diba? God's listening, guys. So, keep on praying. And this year, medyo parang bumabawi si Lord sa akin after niya akong bigyan ng Halloween sa EFP. Kaya, he's showering me with extra funds. Kaya ako nakaka-share. And yeah, I'm outside. And we're in Zambales for like a Sunday. We'll be going back on, I think Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday morning. Kamusta naman ang wallet after? So yun nga. Yun. That is why we're here. And now, ipagay ko na sa inyo. Saan tayo pupunta? Oh no, now I'm realizing the downside of this. You can hear the downside of this is, so diba, you go to the beach, expect mo ano yan. Good here, raining for, pero sige, ocean days na lang. Pero bro, but can put here, I can hear the ocean. Okay, yan, medyo narinig. Pero mas narinig yung motor ng mga boats. And the thing is, it's not, hindi masyadong crowded. Guys, magsimulan na kayo. Work na bukas, oh. What are you guys doing here? Ah,